In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 305 by 5 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 3. It is less than 5. That is why we will consider the first two digits, that is the number 30. From the multiplication table of 5, we know that 5 times 6 is 30. Subtract, we get a 0. Now see that this 0 is less than 5. That is why we need to bring down this number 5 here. Now see that this is the number 5. So we will remove this 0. Now 5 times 1 is 5. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have got the number 0 and there is no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 305 divided by 5 is equal to 61. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also, do subscribe the channel.